So here it is, the Sharp video camera. And obviously, it is VHS. It's in really excellent cosmetic condition. The camera dates back to 1986, has original documentation. And the battery, remember how to do it, it will eject. It will also merely clip back in. The camera is in excellent condition, and it works, but the only way I got it to work, because the other accessories were shot, including the viewfinder, was by using the adapter to your vehicle. It is in very, very nice condition for its age. The camera dates back to September 1986. And it has a lot of the accessories needed. Probably a few that don't even belong to it. I did get some VHS tapes for it. And it is on the new tripod. VHS tapes are over there in that corner. It is a very nice camera. That indeed. Well now, this will end it. Hope you enjoyed seeing this camera. And thank you for watching.